Coronavirus, the biggest nightmare of the world. Should you give in to your worries and stress over the disease, or channel your energy into thinking about life after coronavirus? What will you do once the pandemic is over? Take up a course, choose the right stream, look for the right career, or finally turn your passion into your job? Why wait for the coronavirus to end when you can start preparing now? Let us tell you why this is the perfect time to get career ready. Reason number one, best time to focus on your future. You have more time, lesser lectures, no exams, no deadlines, nothing can distract you from getting to discover yourself and what your ideal future looks like. Would you rather focus on becoming career ready or worry about things you cannot control? Reason number two, do you want to involve your family in your decision making process? What better time than this? Everybody's working from home. You can involve them in the counseling session, have a discussion with them, ensure that they're part of this entire experience. Reason number three, you don't have to step out of your house at all. Get an online career counseling session with some of the best counselors in India. Reason number four, instead of focusing all your energies into negative news, the pandemic, how is it growing, wouldn't it be better for you to focus them on defining your goals, understanding your career, reducing your stress and anxiety by actually speaking to a counselor? Reason number five, you will get all the updates on the revised exam dates, application dates, results, when our board's going to get over, so that you are always in the loop and never unaware of the sudden changes that might happen. 37,000 students and professionals and college graduates have trusted us to help them get a little more career ready. What are you waiting for? This is the absolute best time. Log in to mentoria.com and we'll handhold you until you step into the right career.